Day 2. Breakfast time. Kain ulit kami ng breakfast sa buffet area. Free breakfast, umaambon-ambon. Oh no! Yun lang.
Dali, pakita mo yan. Dali, pakita.
Sana tuloy ang activities.
Walang activities.
Day 2 breakfast. Madaming mga kabataan ngayon. Parang merong convention ng mga SK chairman. Daming mga bata. Doon sila sa loob kumuha ng pagkain. Dito ako sa labas. Dito kami pwesto sa labas. Kasi wala na sa loob. Beachfront. 7 po. So, okay pala dito eh. Oh. May background music pa. Ganun lang kumuha ng pagkain ah. Salamat. May papalit na sa akin. Ako naman kuha ng pagkain. Bread and pastry. So, ang view sa aming buffet area. Beachfront. Kuha tayo ng bacon.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that. Closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again.
So, punta na kami sa water activities. Hatid kami ng hotel namin, Paradise Garden. Kuya, driver namin. Dito na ulit kami sa Bulabog Beach. Kung saan nagaganap ang mga water activities. Balabag ba? Balabag Beach. Kuya, sa aming tour guide. Hotel Paradise Garden.
Patay, no? Kapatid kayo?
Yan! Balik na ulit kami dito sa floating tulay. Init.
Relax ka lang. Laban kasi yung ano.
Sundan mo lang yung ano.
Ka lang.
Ako na kaya.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You don't get shy, but I can see that you don't realize. And that's
Hey, on the way to Parasail. Parasail kami. Ito na ang aming platform. Bye-bye, John. Yan yung dalawa. Spa. Magpaparasail na kami. Sa isa, mahal. Bye, Jun!
Uy! Uy!
Yeah! Woohoo! Good luck! Bye! Ayun sila, Jun. Kami magkakasama.
Ano mo na, sir? Yung kasama nyo. Pamalig yan eh.
Ayun agad sila. Bilis ah.
Ano na sila? Pakit na? Tagal na ginilas yata.
Lord, please guide us.
yung sir, yung harap dito sa baba, huwag kayo dito sa bakal ha. Okay?
Sa baba, dito.
Pagkaan nyo na sa taas kasi bumalik po, ikot lang po yung kamay kapag gusto nyo bumalik po. Okay?
Kuya, landscape. Sige, okay na.
Kuya, picture.
Okay na. Yay!
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. It shines.
Nakakatakot!
See that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love.
Yay! Lord, thank you, Lord, for this wonderful life. Woo! Taas! Minutes tayo dito, guys. Hey, ganda ng
I'll
view.
look at you and know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, you. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got
Papabata. Uy! Gumagalaw. Umano ka. Umano ka. Ano mo? Yee! Thanks, mami. Yeah! Atina! Ang sarap dito. Hindi ka sumama. Pwede ka sanang sumama, Atina girl. Pero jaya mo. Rup. 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 Woo! Oh, ikot naman tayo sa kapaligiran. Yan. Yan yung mga nagpaparasin din. Ang dami. Tapos, ayun yung mga isla. Ang dami oh. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano. Woohoo! Nawala na yung excitement. Pag nasa area ka na pala, parang nagsuswing ka lang. Wala lang. Kahit tumingin ka sa baba, malulain ako. Atina! Woohoo! Sarap dito. Hindi ka sumama. Ako. Takot yung apo ko eh. Sasama sana namin eh. Kaso maraming kumukontra. Alam mo na. Ayun sila oh. Ayun sila. Ayun yung lancha namin. Oh.
Paano mo ano ha?
Ayaw pa kayo. Ayaw pa kayo. Touchdown!
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are
Review. Okay? Para sa maganda video nyo.
Baliktad niya eh.
Buti mo nyo nabitawan.
Okay. Ano yun eh?
Baka naman video.
Hindi na nga, okay na to.
Matangin din tayo.
Wala akong kita! Salo na siguro yung airport.
Mataas ang hams. Yay!
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize. And that's what
Maganda rin yung view natin sa likod.
Ah, shit!
Dami gawin! Huwag ka pala! Huwag ka pala!
Ay, malapit na Ay! Hindi yun!
I'll get you
Oh!
my mind. But I can see that you don't realize. That's what made me fall in love.
Salamat!
Ulit ka ba?
Ayoko na.
Maansara sa labas
Sa labas ng flag.
Okay? Clockwise lang po tayo.
Clockwise.
Clockwise, bago po tayo counterclockwise sa makabangga po tayo.
I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize. And that's what made me fall in love.
Thank you, Mami! Sabik na mag-swimming. Sabik na maliwang siya. Thank you, Daddy. Last day, last full day namin dito. Bukas, back to Manila. Ulit naman ang experience.
Ano, di na match ang shades. Foundation.
Init sa Boracay. Last day, kailangan sulitin. Mag-lunch muna kami.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to
Back to hotel. Waiting ng e-trike. Last day, Athena. Uwi na tayo bukas.
Alam ko, enjoy sa banana boat kasi ako ni Lolo.
Pagsamahan natin ito mamaya. Mag-ano siya.
Hindi, yaman siya na tayo lahat.
Joke. Ito na ako. 1, 2, 3,
Feels
go.
like the first time. Feels like I've never been in love before. You got me falling. Oh, so deep. Oh, so deep.
Go.
You're not a bad boy. And that's the problem, 'cause I'm cool.
Ah, galing ah. Enjoying the last day. Last day in Boracay. Dinner time. Next
One
batch.
step forward and another back. I would never try
Mahal cellphone mo?
Oh, ito, ang daming kutsa. Oh, kala ko napakabigat eh.
Dali. 2, 3, go!
Ito ang mga...
Ay, yun lang. Pagod na ang bata. Antok na. Nagpakarga na. Bye-bye ka na, anak. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. Today is our flight going back to Manila. Uwian na, hindi na nakapag-vlog kanina ng breakfast. Hi guys. Hi guys. Silang ba nanonood?